It's been couple of months now. We have been working from home. Team had been working from remote locations. So I thought, why not I take this opportunity to thank my clients, thank teammates at IKF for delivering an absolute fantastic experience. This was a time where organization culture, HR initiatives were being going for the toss. Because earlier days when we were working from office, there used to be a lot of HR activities, there were a lot of physical interaction, there was a lot of initiatives which bounded us all together. However, with this pandemic, everyone was under the stress. With an uncertainty, adverse working from home conditions, infrastructure were challenges. 50 people from IKF team were working from 30 different cities, location, villages, which we were planned for. What happened? Sudden internet down, internet connectivity in local areas, constant MSCB failures. We are putting this work from home culture on a toss. However, this is a time where leadership, entrepreneurship, a company owner skill was put to the test. And what we found with constant connect, Zoom meeting, Skype meeting, Google Hangout, initial 7 days, 10 days, we were clueless what's happening. But over a period of time, we got glued in with this system. There was a challenge of data being local, sitting on a local computer. During this point of time, one of our teammates from IKF was tested positive. He was being put down onto an isolation center, and we practically had no access to the system or data which we can take it forward. But this is a real time where client even supported us. The moment we told client the challenge what we are facing, we requested him for 10 days, 15 days, and to which client has also supported us. And this normalcies, their project getting back to track, were being achieved. So guys, I like to thank the teammates at IKF. I like to thank our esteemed customer for believing in us, keeping a faith in us, and allowing us to ensure that this work from home culture gets settled down. Today, we are absolutely equipped to work from home. Team were being provided laptops, their power backup, internet dongles, whatever we could do has been achieved. So thank you, my team at IKF, for believing in us, for being with us, supporting our client, and not working on a time bound, rather adopting a culture of task bound. And I think this is one of the greatest achievement which we have been able to achieve. So my message to all entrepreneurs, where team is working from home, be with team, build up a confidence with team, be more connected with your clients, keep them informed about any issues, any challenges what you are facing, because entire world is going through the same challenge. Once you inform your client, once you inform your teammates, I think we all are as a team, we all as a resource, we all as a human connect understand this. Thank you. This is my attempt to express my gratitude to our teams and my client through this vlog. Thank you. Looking forward for having more such experiences being shared on this platform.